Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to turn on and how to turn off power saving mode in quick settings in Realme 14 Pro phone. How to access quick settings. On the main screen we need to swipe from the top to bottom and once again, and here we have our quick settings shortcuts. So we're looking for power saving mode. Where it is? Here it's power saving mode. We need to tap it once, and now the mode is enabled. We can tap it second time to turn it off. Of course, when we tap and hold, we will be transported to settings. And here we have some options that we can change. But to simply turn it on or off, we need just quick settings only. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe, and goodbye.